Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have a sponsored video by Raregen Hair. They sent me over this 13x4 straight wig, okay? And it is top tier. No baby hairs needed, top tier, okay? It is the sleekest of straight hair, you guys. I'm in my room sweating right now, so don't mind that. But the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. If you need you a new straight wig, you need to shop here, okay? So if you guys want to see me install this wig and see the box that it came in, wait till you guys see this box. That's crazy. Keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right there so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this install. Y'all, look at this big ass box. It's you. Okay, so we're working with Raregen today. So let's open this up. I'm very excited. This is how the wig comes straight in the box. I guess you need all this room so the wig can have some room to stretch out because there's nothing else in this box, okay? All right, so it does have a little tag on it that has some information about the wig. It's a 24-inch straight wig. I think it's a 13x4 frontal as well. So let me go ahead. I'm just gonna say off rip, this box didn't need to be this big. Did not need this big old box, okay? That was a little extra. There's 4 combs in here. There's a oh, this is a nice little wig grip, and they sewed it on so it's not like hooked in, so it's not falling out. You have to cut this off if you want to take it off. And inside the strap, it does like have some grippers, so it should stay in place, which is nice. I've never had that before. And then also you have your adjustable straps on the side and a comb at the bottom, as well as some extra lace. I'm probably just gonna cut that off. Oh, my initial thoughts, the hair do you see this? Yes, I'm gonna wear this hair straight today. I'm just gonna go in and straighten it. I might go in and pluck just a little bit. It does look like it is pre-plucked a little bit, but I'm gonna go in and do a little bit more plucking. The hairline looks really, really good. The knots are very small. I don't think that it's bleached, but the knots are very small. So if you did want to bleach the knots, I think it would be pretty easy to. But the hair feels really good, y'all. The density on it, I don't know, it's kind of giving like 150, but it feels like really good, strong hair. And look at this wig. It's definitely giving high quality. So off camera, I'm gonna go in and pluck the edges real quick, and then I'll come back, install this, style it, and then we'll talk about my final thoughts at the end. All right, you guys, so the wig is done. Can we peep the hairline? Can you peep the hair? I laid this wig, okay? Okay, this is the most sleek, bone straight wig I have ever, like, you guys, how can I show you guys how fire this straight hair is? It is so freaking sleek and straight. Like, I don't know what else to say. Now I understand why it came in that big ass box. The box was necessary because it is just fabulous. This hair is everything. I'm sweating in my room, by the way. I'm sweating. I can't even stop sweating. It's not even that freaking hot outside. So the hair is just sticking to me. But okay, this is a absolutely gorgeous wig. I was not expecting this in any way, shape, or form. This is a 13 by 4, and it has like the fake scalp thing going on that looks even more natural. I think I might have put too much oil on. I might have put too much oil on my roots. I mean, not oil, but too much edge tamer on there. But don't you worry about that. It looks good. I just really wasn't expecting like a quality like this. But okay, 13 by 4 frontal with the fake scalp. That looks really, really good as well. All the details will be in the description. But this is a 24 inch, and look how far this goes on me. Hold on, let me stand up real quick. Look how far this goes. This like goes to my butt. You guys, it's sitting on the top of my butt. Like, what? It's sweeping it. Sweeping. Bone straight. The quality is amazing. The only thing bad I have to say about this is that it's so sleek. I just want to keep brushing my fingers through it. Anytime I see just one hair doing something crazy, I'm like, want to keep on touching it because it's just so gorgeous, you guys. It is so freaking gorgeous. Look at this. And you can't tell, the 24, I feel like this is 24 inches. The rest of this was an extra. This is all extra down here, okay? This is 24 inches, my opinion, okay? But yeah, so you got some extra inches. I highly recommend. Make sure you guys check out Raregen Hair for this quality. If you want a straight hair wig, you want this one. Thank you, Raregen, again for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video today. Everybody, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this hair, where you can find it, and all the other wigs that they have on their website as well. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.